What? Do I hear a Fuzor in need of voice box repair?
What's a Fuzor? What's going on over there?
I am able. Just ask Bantor. He was all mandrill before I put a tiger in his tank.
You want me to not only bridge you into a confined space, but one traveling at 90 miles per hour? I can't even count the number of ways that can go wrong. Mass displacement trauma, twisted limbs, metal burn. Well, maybe not the last one.
Remain with Ratchet.
Aww.
Smokescreen gets his own partner?
Please. Isn't having 3 humans here enough?
All those cons came out of one pod?
Humans refer to the phenomenon as a clown car. How's it humming?
Did he just?
Stronger, faster, studlier.
Bulkhead, I needed that! I needed that! Bulkhead, I needed that! Bumblebee. I needed that! Bulkhead?
What? You needed that?
We've made friends here. Family.
We could always text them. But I constructed the ground bridge to enable travel from here to anywhere on your planet.
Whoa. Does it work for humans?
Naturally.
You mean I could just shoot on over and visit my parents in Tokyo?
Within moments. In fact, allow me to send you there immediately, all 3 of you.
Watch it, Ratchet.
We will respect your decision if you wish to leave.
No point in long goodbyes. Here's the door.
We just scrub and replace B with.
Marscat says, take me to your feeder.
Ratchet actually laughed?